Good morning, Year 6. This is Wednesday's percentages lesson. So, just to recap, if you haven't got the idea yet, you need to have done Monday's lesson and Tuesday's lesson before you do this one. They all follow on, they're all connected. So please go back and do the other ones first, even if you get a day or two behind. Now, I've timed this very badly, so I'm having to watch the Leeds match while I'm trying to do this. So apologies if I get a little bit distracted. Leeds are currently winning 1-0 though, so it's all good. Okay, so Wednesday's anchor task. So 1%, let me see that. There we go. 1% of the stickers in each box of our lovely football stickers here are the special ones, the shiny ones, the ones that you want. How many special stickers would be in a box of 500 stickers? So if there was a box of 500 stickers, 1% of them are the special shiny ones. How many shiny ones do we end up with? What about if you had a box of 1,000 stickers? So what would 1% of 1,000 stickers look like in shiny stickers? What if you had a box of 2,500 stickers? Which would be amazing. I would like a box of 2,500 football stickers, please. Thanks. So, if you go to your supporting hands at the top, look, it says what is 1% as a fraction? And can we use that to help find 1% of 500? Well, yes, you can. Have a think about it, have a go at it, pause the video, and then I'll go through it. Just before I go through it, though, I'll just read the challenge for you. Compare your first two answers. So the answer to this question and the answer to the blue question. Does it make a real difference if you buy 500 or 1,000? Are you getting more special stickers one way or the other, or is it just actually the same chance? So yes, you'll technically get more if you buy 1,000, but is there more of a chance of getting more, or is it just double the amount? Double the amount of stickers, double the amount of special stickers? Because if that's the case, you might as well just buy the 500, it will be cheaper in the long run. Have a think about that. Pause the video, have a go, and now I'll go through it. So, I've just realised this is still on the screen and doesn't need to be there. Oh well, I'll get rid of it now. Never mind. All right. So let's grab the purple pen. So 1% of the stickers in the box of 500 are special. What is 1% as a fraction? Well, it is 1 out of 100 because percent means out of 100. So if I was going to find 100th of any number or any amount in the world, I would simply divide it by the denominator. I'd divide it by 100. So we're going to do 500 divided by 100. Now, I don't need the line method to do that, people. 500 divided by 100 is how many hundreds are there in 500? Well, that would be 5. So, in our box of 500 stickers, we end up with 5 special shiny ones, which seems pretty poor, really. Bad amount. What about if we had this box of 1,000 then? So it's still only 1%. It's 1% of 1,000. So we're still going to divide by 100. So 1,000 divided by 100 is how many hundreds are in 1,000. Again, I don't need the line method here. If you need to, fair enough, but 1,000 divided by 100 is 10. If you need to imagine it, then you've got your decimal point here, and this 0 is coming off into the hundredths column, has no value anymore. This one is coming off into the tenths, has no value anymore. These two have moved up, so you've ended up with 10 here. Okay, if you need to do that. What if we had a box of 2,500 stickers? It's still 1%. It's still 100. It's still divided by 100. So we're doing 2,500 divided by 100. Again, if you need to imagine it, decimal points there. We'll put in 2 lines there. Everything's moving 2 places along. So I know that this 5 is ending up in the ones column. The 2 is ending up in the tens. So dividing by 100 gives us 25. Okay, so we've got 5, 10, 25. Then I'll just grab a different colour pen for the challenge. Let's have a green one, makes sense. Comparing the first two answers, is there an actual difference between buying 500 or 1,000? So if we buy 500, we end up with 5 stickers, special stickers, sorry. If we buy 1,000, we end up with 10. So we've bought double the amount of stickers and we've ended up with double the amount of special stickers. So is it better one way or another? Well, no, it's literally the same chance. So I'm going to get 5 stickers if I buy 500, 5 special stickers, sorry, and I'm going to get 10 shiny stickers if I buy 1,000. The only difference would be is if this price was a lot cheaper overall than this one, but we don't know that information. Right, that is the end of the anchor task. I feel like I've babbled on quite a lot there. I wasn't going to start a new video, but I think I will just to give you a little breather. So that was your anchor task. I'm going to do the video for guided next. For those of you that care, it is still 1-0 to Leeds. So I shall join you back in a sec with the next video.